Hi students, good morning. Now continuation part for coaching in this topic part 5. Yes, just I am discussing again important formula sec x plus tan x equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Sec x minus tan x equal to tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Cosec x minus cot x equal to tan x by 2. This in previous class we have proved it. Now cosec x minus cot x, the proof is not important, just you should remember this formula, right? Cosec x minus cot x, this is already regular class, we have proved it. Just once again I am telling, this is 1 by sin x cos x by sin x, 1 minus cos x by sin x. So 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Get cancelled. So which is equal to tan x by 2. Cosec x minus cot x equal to tan x by 2. Similarly, cosec x plus cot x equal to, here 1 plus cos x, you will get 2 cos square x by 2, then cos x by 2 cancel, will get cot x by 2. This is 4 formulas, very important. That's why integration of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x or log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Integration of cosec x is log of cosec x minus cot x or log of tan x by 2. That's why cosec x minus cot x equal to tan x by 2, cosec x plus cot x equal to cot x by 2. Now previous class we have discussed, I think, question number up to 27, 28, which is important. Dx by x square into x power 4 plus 1 whole power 3 by 4. X power 4 plus 1 whole power 3 by 4. This is the most important. It was asked in JEE also, in CET also. If it is come this way, this type of model, here highest power we have to take common. Integration of dx by x square, x power 4 take common, x power 4 take common, we will get here 1 plus 1 by x power 4 and whole power 3 by 4. Here 4 cancel, integration of dx by x square into x power 4 3 by 4 cancel, x cube into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Yes, this derivative is here. Let 1 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to t. 1 differentiation is 0, x power minus 4 differentiation minus x power by x power 5 dx equal to dt. Then integration of dx equal to dx by x power 5 equal to minus dt by 4. And this is equal to t power 3 by 4. Right? Minus 1 by 4 integration of t power minus 3 by 4 dt. So minus 1 by 4 t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1, minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1. So minus 1 by 4 minus 3 plus 4 1 by 4 t power 1 by 4 by 1 by 4. This get cancelled. So let's substitute t is equal to 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. Yes, here you can use this one without substitution also, we can solve this is direct by formula. This we can write 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power minus 3 by 4 into 1 by x power 5 dx. This derivative is minus 4 by x power 5 multiply by minus 4. Then minus 1 by 4 x raised to n f of x whole power n into f dash x. This derivative is f dash x. So 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1. This get cancelled. You can use direct formula also. Which form it contain? Integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. It was asked JE, this is. Next, question number 29, integration dx by x plus x power 5 equal to f of x plus c, and integration of x power 4 by x plus x power 5 dx equal to, this is integration x power 4 by x plus x power 5 dx equal to, this is right in the form of this. So to get that form, here numerator is 1, add 1 plus minus 1, add 1 and minus 1, x take common here, x plus x power 5 dx, add 1 and subtract 1. Why? Because to get this form, split this by this, we get this form. Integration 1 plus x power 4 by this, x take common, 1 plus x power 4 dx minus 1 by x plus x power 5 dx. This get cancelled. Integration of 1 by x is log x. 1 by 1 x plus x power 5 dx equal to f of x plus c. This is. This integration already given. What is the integration of this is? F of x. Next, question number 30, integration root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 plus x square by root of 1 minus x power 4 dx. Splitting here, root of 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x power 4 plus root of 1 plus x square by root of 1 minus x power 4 dx. This we can write root of 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Then root of 1 minus x square get cancelled, remaining 1 by root of 1 plus x square dx. Are you following? In place of this, write this. This is get cancelled, 1 by root of 1 plus x square plus this, in place of this right here, 1 plus x square get cancelled, 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx, which is equal to log of x plus root of 1 plus x square plus, which is equal to sine inverse x plus c. Integration e power x log a into e power x dx equal to e power x power, take here, log of a power x base e power x dx. Here bases are same, a raised to x into e power x dx, which you can write ae whole power x, which in the form of a raised to x. A raised to x integration ae whole power x by log of ae plus c. Integration 1 by 1 plus sine ax dx. This is, you know, rationalization. Multiply by 1 minus sine ax. 1 minus sine ax. Here 1 minus sine ax. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 1 minus sine square ax dx, 1 minus sine ax by cos square ax, Splitting here, 1 by cos square ax means secant square ax dx minus sin by cos tan ax into secant ax. Sec x into tan x is sec x. Secant square x integration tan ax by a plus c. 33 you can find it. 34. Integration mod x by x dx. Right? Mod x integration here we don't know. They are not given x is positive and x is negative. When x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0, then mod x is x by x dx, which is equal to 1 dx, which is equal to x. If x is less than 0, then minus x by x dx, which is equal to minus dx, which is equal to minus x. For all both cases, what is the x? Plus x and minus x. The answer is plus or minus x. Plus or minus x means nothing but mod x plus c. 35. Integration e power 5 log x minus e power 4 log x by e power 3 log x minus e power 2 log x dx equal to e power log of x power 5 minus e power log of x power 4 e power log of x cube e power log of x square base e power log x power 5 base e, which is equal to x power 5 minus x power 4 by x cube minus x square dx, which is equal to x take common here, x square take common here, x cube minus x square by x cube minus x square dx. This get cancelled. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus c. Integration of cot square x dx, which is very easy. Cosec square x minus 1 dx. Cosec square x equal to minus cot x minus x plus c. 37 you can find it. Integration of x root x. Use x raised to n formula. 38. Integration of tan x minus cot x whole square dx. A minus b whole square. A square tan square x plus b square cot square x minus 2 tan x into cot x dx. Tan square x we can write secant square x minus 1. This is cosec square x minus 1. This is minus 2. Right? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4. So secant square x integration is tan x. Cosec square x integration minus cot x minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 integration of dx is 4x plus c. (39) This is the formula. This is exponential form, that is integration of 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial so on dx. This is not for useful for CET. Okay, this is exponential is form of sin x. Sin x integration is minus cos x. Yes. This is right. This is exponential form is this whole is equal to cos x. Integration of cos x equal to sin x. One day I will explain what are the sin x, cos x formula. Sin x is x minus x cube by 3 factorial. Sin x equal to x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial. This is exponential. This is equal to cos x, which is useful for JEE. Next question number 40. Integration of ax plus b by cx plus d into dx. This is the improper. Numerator and denominator degree same, which is improper. If it is improper, how can find? Make it proper. How we can make the proper? By using division method. Cx plus d, this ax plus b divided by cx plus d. So tell me the coefficient of x is a by c. C get cancelled. Ax plus ad by c. Subtract here, get cancelled. Remainder is b minus ad by c. Therefore, integration of this is equal to, tell me first, q of x a by c plus b minus ad by c by cx plus d into dx. What is the integration of this is a by cx plus b c minus ad by c. This integration cx plus d integration c. Numerator should be there c. So multiply by c here. C square. We'll get log of cx plus d. This derivative is c. C into c square plus d. Next, n is positive integer, integration of mod of x power n dx. Here 41 is integration of mod of x power n dx. Okay, n is the positive odd integer, it is, means x, x cube, x power 5, like that. N is the positive odd integer. Here mod is there. Yes, mod. Mod means positive case. If x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0, positive. Okay, are you following? Positive. X is belongs to positive, greater than 0. 1 square 1 cube, the whole is positive. Then if it is positive, which is equal to x raised to n dx, right? X raised to n integration x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. If x is less than 0, the mod x, here negative here, minus 1 whole cube, minus 1 whole power 5, negative. Then minus x raised to n dx, which is equal to minus x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Check the answer. Both value. This is, there is option here. First option is mod of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Second option is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is wrong. Only we got the both. Third one is a mod of x raised to n x by n plus 1. Fourth one is x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. Maybe this and this. Here positive. Here x raised to n plus 1 we have not taken. This is mod of x raised to n. If it is positive, sometimes it may be positive. If it is negative, x raised to n, if n is odd integer, okay, odd plus 1 is even. So this is not satisfied. So this may be correct. Here, if it is negative, minus comes. Minus x raised to n plus 1, x raised to n plus 1. If it is positive, this is, so it is satisfied for both. That means integration of mod x is dx formula, mod x into x. Integration of f of x dx equal to f of x. Then f of x equal to x. First option is f of x equal to x. Second option is f of x equal to constant. Third option f of x equal to 0. Fourth option f of x equal to e power x. Tell me f of x equal to x, if you put x is equal, integration of x is x square by 2, not satisfied. Constant, if you take constant k dx which is equal to kx, which is not equal to constant f of x, wrong. 0, then 0. 0 means integration of 0 is constant, not satisfied. Integration of 0 dx equal to constant, which is not equal to 0. This is correct. E raised to x integration is e raised to x. So this is 43. Integration of a minus a raised to nx dx equal to, a integration is ax minus a power x integration, a power nx by log of a power n. Understood? Log of a power n means n comes here, n log a plus c. Integration of secant square x by 2 plus into cosec square x by 2 dx. This is we have done, which is equal, plus comes in between. Yes, into become a plus. How? This is 1 by cos square x by 2, 1 by sin square x by 2. Yes, numerator plus 1 sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Then by splitting this by this, get cancel, cos square 1 by cos square x by 2, which is equal to secant square x by 2, plus this get cancel, cosec square x by 2. So which is equal to integration of secant square x by 2 plus cosec square x by 2. This is a shortcut here. You can plus into plus become a plus. Secant square x by 2 integration tan x by 2 by 1 by 2 minus cot x by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. This 2 comes up. Next 45, tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square integration. Here can be integrated by substituting what? X is equal to tan theta. That much they asked. This much only asked. What is the substitution method? Put x is equal to tan theta. That much. If they ask integration, which is equal to 3 tan inverse x. So 3 tan inverse x integration how to find? By parts, uv. That we will discuss later, uv. This is u and v is 1. That we will discuss next. Further, we are discussing now basic. Here they ask just substitution method. 46. Integration 2 power 1 by x square dx equal to k into 2 power 1 by x. What is the k value? Let 1 by x equal to t, then minus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. Right? 2 power 1 by x, 2 power t, dx by x square equal to minus dt, and 2 power t log 2 plus c. Minus 2 power t, t is equal to 1 by x by log 2 plus c. So what is the k value? What is the k value? K value is, here compare with this, k value is minus 1 by log 2. Next 48, integration of d square by dx square of tan inverse x dx. We know that integration of d by dx f of x equal to f of x. By using this, integration of d by dx of tan inverse x dx. One of the integration is cancelled, d by dx of tan inverse x. Derivative of this is 1 by 1 plus x square. Right? So we have discussed up to 48 question in this material. So basic problems we have discussed, okay, and from 49 to up to 100, 121 we have discussed in the previous part 1, part 2, part 3. Those formulas: integration of f dash x by f of x dx equal to log of f of x plus c. Integration of f dash x by root f of x dx equal to 2 root f of x plus c. Integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Some extra problems. I am giving the homework, just you practice yourself. Integration of root of 1 plus sine x by 2 dx. Options 1, a 4 cos x by 2 minus 4 sine x by 2. 2, 4 cos x by 2 plus sine x by 2. 3, 4 cos x by 4 plus 4 sine x by 4. Fourth one, minus 4 cos x by 4 plus 4 sine x by 4. Next question is e power log of tan x dx. This is option A. Option 1, log sec x. Option 2, log of tan x. Option 3, e power tan x. Option 4, tan x. Right? Integration sin x dx by 3 plus 4 cos square x. Try yourself this. Option 1, log of 3 plus 4 cos square x. Option 2, 1 by 2 root 3 tan inverse of cos x by root 3. Option 3, 1 by 2 root 3 tan inverse of 2 cos x by root 3. Right? Option 4 is same but minus 1 by 2 root 3 tan inverse of 2 cos x by root 3. Okay, next one. We are going discussing the next different models.